Cold beers earned. Yo, now we're gonna do up a really quick recipe on the charcoal grill. Hey, why not show you? Because it's one of my favorites. Chicken wings with Alabama white sauce. And the wings have got this really spicy, kicking kind of. We're gonna start this up. We're gonna get it going. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna barbecue up some barbecue stuff. And doodly-dee-dee-doop-a-doo-boo barbecue, mother. Bonus. We still got a bit of charcoal in here that's perfectly fine, and some apple wood from when we smoked some ribs on Canada Day. So I'll just leave that in place. That was dumb. Hi. We're gonna make some dry rub, or winglings. Let's go. Bing bang paprika. We're gonna use 3 tablespoons of this. Boom, kapow, jamatam, bamalam. Brown sugar, the world. Let's get going with that. Chew, ka-da-down. 2 tablespoons of salt. That's 1. There's 2. Do you like garlic powder, kids? Boom. Onion powder. Let's go 1. Let's go 2. Oh, so nice. Black pepper. They say about a teaspoon. Da-da-da. Teaspoon. Teaspoon of black pepper. Let's have a teaspoon. If you can't have a teaspoon, then I don't know who you are. Singing songs, that's about a teaspoon. And we gotta get that guajillo. You gotta get it, and get it, and get it, and get it. You gotta get it on getting and getting it. Paprika, brown sugar, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, guajillo powder, and black pepper. Whisk. Alabama white sauce, the world. Get ourselves a little lemon. A little lemon is all you need. Get ourselves a little lemon for you and for me. If you'd like to have some lemon, then you might be a friend of mine. This is a lazy way of catching seeds. I'm not a chef, but I just want 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Oh, no, I don't, because I'm cutting this one in half. Alright, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon. Remember, cutting it in half. Wow, I just killed a whole lemon for nothing. How many lemons died making this? This is the best sauce on the planet. That's not, but it's up there. I'm gonna grab some mayonnaise. We like to use half the fat. Only got 17,000 steps today, and I'm gonna put it in this measuring cup. Uh-oh, spilled some on the counter. Well, I'm gonna leave that on the counter. There's 1 cup of mayonnaise. It's pretty fun. All the kids love the mayonnaise. Apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, and that's 0.672. This is horseradish sauce. This is the best sauce ever. 4 tablespoons of horseradish. Feel the burn. Wow. Add horseradish to my shopping list.
Okay, I added horseradish.
White pepper, need a teaspoon. Doesn't fit. Get a teaspoon of white pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, because you know, not hot enough. Some nice Dijon mustard. A little bit more never hurt. Always good to have too much mustard. mayonnaise and apple cider vinegar and horseradish, lemon juice and Dijon mustard, white pepper, salt, garlic powder and cayenne powder. You can call it the greatest thing that ever did happen, but I call it Alabama white sauce. First, I'm gonna taste it. Pow! That's going in the fridge. And then we drizzle it on the wings. Perfect. Wing rub time. If you've watched my previous videos, I'm gonna give you one guess where I get my wings. Yeah, it's from a butcher. I don't get wings at the grocery store because grocery stores are got myself some wingly wings and a ding-a-diggly ding. Cause I got my wingity wings. And I put my rubbity rub all up on my wings. Cause I love to have some wings. Alabama chicken wings. Do you like to have some wings? Yes sir, I do. I would like to have chicken wings with some Alabama chicken wings. Alabama chicken wings. It's a chickity wiggity wiggity wingy ding. You got your chickity wings. Gonna go take a spring, cause I got chicken wings. Remember kids, chicken's delicious, but it will murder you. So, gotta wash your hands real good. If you dig the content I'm making, even if you don't, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Subscribe and be a subscriber, that would be cool. Because then I could keep making videos, which I'm gonna do anyway. But you might as well come along for the ride. And then put this all over on one side. Fudge. Oops, stepped on a hot coal. Should've worn flip-flops. Bound to happen. Also, how tough is it that I yelled fudge? Mother burn my flesh. Alright. Throw a piece of hickory on. So yeah, this is all offset, right? You got your charcoal over here and you got nothing over there. So all we's gonna do is line those bad boys up. I like to put the drums at the front because they get a little bit more meat on them, so they can take a bit more heat. That's my theory. Charcoal barbecue, what you gonna do? What you gonna do with the charcoal barbecue? Charcoal barbecue, charcoal barbecue, what you gonna do? I said charcoal barbecue on a charcoal barbecue, a doodly doo. Pretty far from here. 250, 300, 325, 350, 335, 400. Anyway. Nice. I like to do a cross section to sort it out.
Can I have some?
You can, my love.